Buhari has no certificate. A Nigerian lawyer based in the United Kingdom, Carlo petitions Metropolitan Police saying that the Cambridge result that President Muhammadu Buhari presented last 2 weeks is fake. Welcome to Njenje Media channel. This is a channel where we give you news and updates that no other channel is able to offer you. A Nigerian lawyer, Carlo Ago, has petitioned the Metropolitan Police in the United Kingdom over the Cambridge result of President Muhammadu Buhari, which he recently obtained by his Chief of Staff, Mr. Abba Kyari. The petitioner, as you can see on your screen, this is the petition he wrote to the Cambridge. The petitioner questioned the authenticity of the said result in a petition dated 14th August 2019, that was on Thursday this week. He addressed this petition to the Metropolitan Police and urged the Metropolitan Police to investigate this gross misconduct. In his argument, he is arguing that according to Cambridge, there is no way in their own website, it is clearly written that nobody can come and sign and take a result of another person, that they can only either send it to Buhari himself, if he so wishes, or send to an institution. If you also remember, during the presidential tribunal, Dr. Livy Uzuku, who is the lead legal counsel for Atiku Abubakar campaign, Atiku Abubakar team, asked Abba Kyari if he collected the said certificate, and Abba Kyari said in affirmation, yes, that he personally, now the key word here is that he personally, meaning that result was not sent to Buhari, that result was not emailed to Buhari. Abba Kyari personally collected the result, thereby establishing something so fishy. He went further to ask the British police to probe and trace the source of the said certificate. The lawyer actually is making a great sense. He's saying this is not Nigeria. And stay tuned to Njenje Media TV. You will see that in the coming days, the British police must react and they must investigate this. Nobody knows what will be the outcome. It could be that at the end of the day, Nigerians will eventually know that Buhari had no certificate. Let us wait and see what is going to happen. If you look at the image on the screen, that is the petition that he wrote. This is the petition that he wrote. President Chief of Staff Abba Kyari affirmed collecting the result on President Buhari's behalf when he was cross-examined by the lead counsel to the All Progressive candidates, Mr. Latif Fagbemi. He said he has been the chief of staff to the president since 2015, adding that all his communication with Mr. President has been in English and in English language only. Thereafter, the counsel to the petitioner, Mr. Livy Uzuku, told Mr. Kyari that he said he was the one who collected the document from Cambridge, and Abba Kyari said, yes, my lord, and responded in the affirmative that the president, that he confirmed that the president's aide affirmed, adding that he collected the document on the 18th of July 2019. When asked if he was surprised that he collected the document long after the petition was filed, after deposing to his witness statement in April, Mr. Abba Kyari answered yes in the affirmative. People, do you know what that means? That means a PDP filed a petition that Buhari had no certificate in April 2019 after the election. And the Buhari sent Abba Kyari to go and get what Carlo Ago, not in Njenje Media now, take note, what Carlo Ago, a lawyer in the United Kingdom, is saying that this certificate is fake. This is what Abba Kyari went through the back door to collect for Buhari. Something is fishing. Believe us when we say this. Buhari is not going to run away from his shadows. This fraud has gone for a long time. Watch the space. Atiku is definitely coming. This is Njenje Media channel. Subscribe to the channel for more updates.
Welcome to Njenje Media TV. Please visit us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, and remember to subscribe to the channel by clicking on